Hello?
Hey! Give me my food. Start shaking it really a lot.
Come on, just drop. Ugh, one more time. Whoa, whoa! No, 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 no!
Behind every statistic, there's human lives. Even if something as ordinary as a vending machine can take them. It may seem funny, but these cost lives. The statistics, the facts, we need to raise awareness on all of this.
These dang vending machines, they cause too much of a risk. People get their snacks stuck, and then they try to shake them and get their snack unstuck, and they end up getting squashed. It's a tragedy.
He just wanted a snack. These vending machines, they're dangerous.
I once knocked over a vending machine. Never again.
It's okay. We'll get on.
The biggest risk factor is pure hunger. Hunger makes people reckless. And reckless people tip vending machines.
Bloopers.
It's literally good.
Do it again, one more time.
Do a really big one.
It may be funny, but these cause tragedies. Fuck!
What do I say?
I'm recording.
This is improv.
The biggest risk factor. Can you restart?
Are you gonna fix it?